Next one, there is problems on both spot market as well as on forward market. So now we move to the problems on both spot as well as on forward market. And right now we know already spot market. We also know about the forward market. And with the help of these things, we will solve some of the problems which are related to both spot as well as forward market. Okay. The question has been displayed on the screen. Just read out the problem. Assume the buying rate of Deutsche Mark spot in New York is $0.40. The question what they asked is, what do you expect the price of the US dollar in Germany if the dollar were quoted in Germany at DM 2.60? How is the market supposed to react? So simple question what that means. So the spot rate of dollar in the New York is 0.40 per Deutsche Mark. So what they have information? So solution, let's go for solution for this. So what they have problem? Spot rate of dollar at New York is how much? $0.40 per Deutsche Mark. Okay. Now what they're asking? They're asking us to find out what do you expect the price of US dollar in Germany. In Germany, what is the rate of US dollar? To find out the rate of US dollar in Germany, we have to take the reciprocal of 0.40. That is, we need to find 1 DM is equal to 1 DM is equal to how much here? $0.40. Now $1 is equal to, we need to find how much? If you multiply 1, if you multiply this 1 divided by 0.40, you get the answer as DM 2.5 DM 2.5 per dollar. That means for $1, so we have to pay Deutsche Mark 2.5 in Germany. That sets the answer for this question. So let me repeat. In the question, what they asked is, if the spot rate in the New York is $0.40 per DM, that's for 1 DM in New York it is $0.40, then they're asking what do you expect the price of the US dollar in Germany. The price of the US dollar in Germany is, so you have to take 1 DM is equal to $0.40. Now we are asking what is the value of $1? $1, 1 into 1 divided by 0.40, we get answer as Deutsche Mark 2.5 per dollar. To buy $1 we have to pay Deutsche Mark 2.5. Now the second question what they are asking, this is question A. Question B what they are asking is, if the dollar were quoted in Germany at DM 2.60, how is the market supposed to react? If the dollar has been quoted in Germany at DM 2.6 Germany, so you assume that if already dollar has been quoted in Germany $2.6, so how the market is going to react? If 2.6 quoted in Germany, then buy dollar in New York, buy dollar in New York at 2.5 per dollar and sell the same in Germany at the rate of 2.6. Thereby is going to make a profit of 0.1. Okay, and what happens by this value of the demand will increase for dollar. The demand will increase for dollar in New York, and dollar value will rise to DM 2.6, thereby the equilibrium will be restored in both the values. So okay, so this is how we have to solve this particular problem. So we'll move to the next problem. Hope you read the question. Let me recap the question again. Spot rate of DM is $0.40 in the New York. The price of the pound sterling was quoted $1.80. So question what they ask me is question 1. What do you expect the price of the pound to be in Germany? So what they are asking, what do you expect the price of the pound to be in Germany? Second question is, if the pound were quoted in Frankfurt at DM 4.40 per pound, what do you expect the profit from the situation? These are two questions what they are given. Okay, let's try to understand this problem and try to solve this particular one. So now first let's write the what they are given the problem. Okay, so here they are given dollar by DM. Dollar by DM is equal to 0.40 and dollar by pound is equal to 1.80. So now we need to find out what is the value for DM by pound. This we need to find out. So how to read this? $0.40 per DM. This can also be written as $0.40 per DM. This can be written in this way. Okay, $0.40 per DM. Okay, that the given spot rate of DM is 0.40 in New York, and pound sterling. The price of pound sterling is quoted as dollar by pound is 1.80. Now question what they are asking. What do you expect the price of pound to be in Germany? In Germany, what is the price of the pound? We know that DM by pound. DM by pound is equal to, so numerator we have DM. Here we have dollar by DM. We will reverse it. Okay, DM by dollar. We will take inverse of this. DM by dollar into then dollar by pound. You can see here dollar will get cancelled. Get answer as DM by pound. Dollar will cancel. The resultant answer what we get is DM by pound. If we substitute value for this, I had taken it was dollar by DM. I had taken what I did. I reversed it DM by dollar. That is I had taken an indirect put of that. So for that I have to reverse it 1 by 0.40 into 1.80. Multiplied to get answer as 4.5 per pound, or we can write it as a DM by pound is equal to 4.5. Okay. In the same way, they are given question B. The question B is a common sense answer. What is supposed to give? What they asked is, if the pound were quoted in Frankfurt, Frankfurt means it belongs to Germany. If the pound were quoted in Frankfurt as 4.40 instead of 4.5, it has been given as a 4.40. I am talking about question B. Okay. If the pound were quoted in Frankfurt at DM 4.40 per pound, what you do to profit from the situation? So it's a very theoretical answer I can give. So if they are given the pound in this way, that is, in case of Frankfurt, they are given DM 4.40 per pound, then what an intelligent investor will do is, he is going to buy 1 pound for DM at Frankfurt at the rate of 4.40 and sell the same in the New York for 4.5 DM. Hence, arbitrator will have profit of 0.1 DM. So thereby non-metal will get a profit of 0.1 dm. So friends, so this completes the basics of your spot and forward market. In the next video, we will try to discuss about the when they are given a code, how to disseminate the code to identify so one code to other code. Those kind of problems we will discuss in the next session. Thank you.